Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to create wall hanger for your phone. You can download more holders on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTubeSale75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I will need sandpaper and nail file, glue, paint, and brush. First, you need to use sandpaper to clean all parts of the design and remove any excess. By the way, to cut this design I'm using Xtool D1 Pro laser machine. If you need setting that I've used, please message me or ask me in the comment section. Then I'm going to color some parts of the design. I'm using acrylic paint and the brush. You can choose any color you like. You can also color this design with acrylic markers. After all parts are dried, I can start with construction assembly. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download more phone hangers on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTubeSale75. The promotion will last for a month.